instance, most Word documents in Word now, they try to want to put comma before every and in a sentence, which is not correct in all contexts. But you cannot know when not to accept that if you do not know the rules of punctuation. So it's very important to know how you can use the app itself. The reporter needs a reliable means of transportation. Is that it is your own or the public one, but look for something that is reliable. If it is your own car, make sure it is functional and will not disappoint you when you matter.
What's up?
What's up? What's
And I say
up?
maybe me.
What's up?
What's up? Look at your
Applications like Master, Extra, Grammarly, ClearWriter, Answer the Public, and there's so many of them. Choose the one that helps you. If you have if you use your laptop regularly, then you should download all